Earlier this year, Grand Design decided to do something kind of unique and test out a new paint scheme on one Imagine. One and one only. They decided they were going to do something a little unique by having full body paint, but then putting decals over that paint. So they truly did design a one-of-a-kind camper. And it just so happens that here at Bullion RV, we were actually fortunate enough to get it into our inventory. So this is the 2026 Grand Design Imagine 2970 RL. It is 34 feet and 2 inches long with a dry weight of 7,910 pounds. As I mentioned, this is full body paint. You will not experience any discolorization from the sun or the elements. That said, like I mentioned, they still did put decals on these, so eventually these could start peeling off. That may be why they decided only to do one of these, because it is kind of a prototype, but it is still a pretty neat feature. There are 2 big electric awnings running the entire way down the campsite. A good amount of pass-through storage can be found up front. We are prepped to have a tire pressure monitoring system installed if you'd like. There is a powered tongue jack and 2 20-pound propane tanks. On the other side of your pass-through storage, you will find your universal hookups, your battery and solar disconnect, your solar controls, expansion port for Starlink, and even a drill bit adapter, which will make it real easy to put down the stabilizing jacks. There is a tankless on-demand hot water heater, 30,000 BTU furnace, and this will run off of 50 amps of power. Along the back, you will find a ladder leading to your fully walkable roof and prep for a backup camera. Speaking of that fully walkable roof, that is where you will find your solar panels. Now, there is only one panel up there. It does give you 200 watts of power, and you can add more if you need to. Inside, you will find an interior that is more reminiscent of a fifth wheel than it is a travel trailer. So along the campside of the camper, you will find a freestanding dinette and 2 reclining theater seats. On the back, there is a couch that can pull out into another bed. And on the other side, you will find your kitchen counter, a small oven, a 3-burner cooktop with your microwave up above, a 12-volt refrigerator with a dedicated freezer, pantry for all your dry goods, a coffee bar with a spot to hang your paper towels, storage above that coffee bar, as well as more overhead storage in the kitchen. And we've got pots and pan storage with these removable pegs that you can move around to fit your dishes the best. Now, I love to cook, so I really like this next part, because not only is there a center island with this nice big sink, here's what has me most excited. Because not only is there a spot to put your trash, they have this mini integrated cutting board, so you can do your prep work, and when you're done, just slide the scraps right into the garbage. Some of you eagle-eyed viewers might notice that something seems to be missing from this camper. We don't go camping to watch TV, however, sometimes rainy nights happen. So right above your fireplace with 4,700 BTUs of heat, you will find the controls to lift your TV straight up. And with the magic of Hollywood, that went a lot faster than it takes, but it still doesn't take that long. We have a fairly standard bathroom for a camper. There's a floor flush porcelain toilet, storage for toiletries, your sink, and your medicine cabinet and vanity. There is a linen closet with a towel drying rack underneath, and a nice big shower that actually includes 2 footrests if you ever need to prop up a leg to shave. Thankfully, Grand Design did include a skylight in the shower, so if you're 6'8", you can still stand up in here. In the bedroom, you will find a true 60 by 80 queen-sized bed with overhead reading lights that can be set to white or blue on both sides. You will also find cubbies on each side of the bed with USB charging for any cell phones and outlets for any CPAP machines. This is also prepped to have an inverter installed, so if you get one of those, you will be able to run their CPAP machines off of your 12-volt batteries. And because this runs off of 50 amps of power, you will find your second 15,000 BTU air conditioner in the bedroom. Both air conditioners are what they call the Coleman Mach air conditioners, meaning that unlike some of the Furrion rooftop AC units that you just basically turn on and then decide if you want it cold or extra cold, these will allow you to control the fan speed and set a specific temperature for both. Finally, we do have a little bit more storage and a nice big wardrobe for hanging any items. So this is the 2026 Grand Design Imagine 2970 RL. 34 feet long and 7,900 pounds dry. With that paint job underneath these decals, this is truly a one-of-one camper. If you're interested, come find me, the Giant with a Beard here at Bullion RV, or give me a call at 218-408-8937, or even shoot me a text. Otherwise, like and follow for daily camper reviews, and I'll see you tomorrow.